In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate your PDF to image using free method. So first I am going on Google, then here I type PDF to image. Then you can open any website like I open this one. So just select my PDF file, targeted PDF file. So I need to image format, right? So IMG, it's already done. So now click on download, but keep in mind if you want to download it's another format. You can see here are 1 2 3 4 format available. So I don't need this first one, I need only JPGs. Now click on download. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer as a JPG file. If I open this file, you can see, wow, it's very simple. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.